There's 5 ways ChatGPT can help you master learning. The first is creating mind maps. Mind maps are diagrams which allow you to visually break down concepts to understand them. So here I prompt, create a mind map to understand utilitarian moral theory. Utilitarian moral theory is this theory in philosophy which says that the right action is that which creates the greatest amount of happiness for the greatest number of people. And as you can see, ChatGPT begins to visually break down the concept of utilitarianism, and after it does this, it explains some of the key concepts that it lists in the mind map in words. You can create mind maps to better understand any concept that you're interested in learning more. So if you're interested in biology concepts or physics concepts or chemistry concepts or economic concepts, then you can use ChatGPT to create mind maps for these different fields of learning. I'm mostly going to be using philosophy concepts as examples for the rest of this video because that's what I specialize in. But you can take everything that I'm showing you and apply it to whatever field of learning that you are interested in learning in. ChatGPT can help you create quizzes. So here I prompt, create a quiz with 10 multiple choice questions on Plato's theory of forms. As you can see, it then spits out a multiple choice quiz, kind of like you see in high school or university. I then prompt, I'm going to answer the questions now. Let me know if I got them right. ChatGPT then spits out the quiz results. Now it claims that I got 8 out of 10 correct, but when you actually line up the answers I gave with the answers it gave, it seems like I got 10 out of 10. So make sure to double check the responses it gives. You can get ChatGPT to Socratically question you. Socratic questioning is a method of learning developed by the ancient Greek philosopher Socrates, whereby someone questions you in order to prompt you to understand the answers on your own. So here I prompt, Socratically question me. I want to understand whether I'm a brain in a vat. It asks me to clarify what I mean by brain in a vat and why I believe I'm a brain in a vat. I then clarified to ChatGPT that by brain in a vat, I mean reality could be a simulation, and that while I don't think I'm a brain in a vat, that it's a possibility and that it's interesting to explore. ChatGPT then asks more questions, harder questions, after we're on the same page in regards to definitions, and then I respond. And this can go back and forth for as long as you like. If you're finding value in this video, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. This channel isn't just about AI, it's about interesting practical ideas that will benefit your life. Another cool thing to do with ChatGPT is creating flashcards. So here I prompt, create flashcards to understand the pros and cons of capitalism. And as you can see, it tells you what to write on your flashcards. If you want more material, just prompt provide more. And finally, if you want to change the format to make things more visually appealing, you can prompt put these into a spreadsheet. You can debate with ChatGPT to better understand your own views and the views of others better. So here I prompt debate with me. I think eating meat is morally wrong because it causes unnecessary suffering. And ChatGPT spits out some counter arguments such as consuming meat can be morally acceptable if the animals were treated humanely and had a good quality of life before they were slaughtered. I then respond to ChatGPT by saying that in the actual world, most meat production actually comes from factory farms, where the animals are not treated well and they're treated very poorly. And then ChatGPT gives its response, and theoretically this back and forth could go on forever. It just depends how long you want to engage with it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you're interested in checking out another video on how ChatGPT can improve your life, then check out this video over here. Other than that, have a great day.